মাননীয় আমাদের বিশপ সাহেব, আর্চ বিশপ, কলকাতার বিশপ, অস্ট্রেলিয়ান অ্যাম্বাসাডার, ইউকে ডেপুটি হাই কমিশনার, উপস্থিত আমার সাথী অনুজ শর্মা, কলকাতা পুলিশের কমিশনার, কলকাতার মেয়র ফিরাদ হাকিম, আমার সাথী চিফ সেক্রেটারি আলাপন বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়, আমার সাথী মিস্টার দ্বিবেদী, হোম সেক্রেটারি, আমার সাথী নন্দিনী ট্যুরিজম সেক্রেটারি, আমার সাথী ডেরেক ওব্রায়েন, ইন্দ্রনীল সেন, নাদিমুল হক, করণ পল এবং শান্তনু সেন সহ আমার ডিসি থেকে শুরু করে নিচে যারা বসে আছেন বৈশা বাবাই থেকে শুরু করে এবং বাবু থেকে শুরু করে প্রত্যেককে আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি, এবং আমার খ্রিস্টানস ব্রাদার্স অ্যান্ড সিস্টার্স অ্যান্ড from all community and all bishops, so many fathers are also sitting here, including my sisters. I convey my greetings to all of you. Thank you so much for calling me. And may I say, as just like my Archbishop, that may God bless all of you. May God love all of you. Jesus Christ means it touches our heart. It touches the values and everything, what not. If we can remember Jesus Christ, we can remember the humanity. There is nothing alternative about the humanity. You cannot compare with this to all. আমি মনে করি Christmas, a great month. I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you and your family members and all of your colleagues also. And this festival we started with the help of INCA department, the tourism department, the Archbishop, the fathers, Kolkata Bishop, the government of West Bengal, Kolkata Corporation, Karan Paul groups, and with others, tourism department. And this is the only place in our country where we celebrate festival like this. What we festival, like puja. Puja also how we celebrate our festival. Just like this, we also celebrate our Eid, our this Christian festival and all the festival, because we are one. We are together, and unity is our strength, and divide is our fall, and that's why we always prefer the unity. And this festival is also, it stands for unity, it stands for peace, it stands for solidarity, it stands for love and everything. আমি এখনো মনে করি দশম কলকাতা ক্রিসমাস উৎসব চলবে 30th ডিসেম্বর পর্যন্ত। From 2011, when we came in, from that time we started this program, and it will continue forever. আমাদের ট্যুরিজম ডিপার্টমেন্ট থেকে শুরু করে সবাইকে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। পার্ক স্ট্রিট অ্যালেন পার্ক, ক্যাথিড্রাল চার্চ চত্বর আলোর বর্ণমালায় সেজে উঠেছে। এই কদিন ক্যারল সহ নানা রকম সঙ্গীতানুষ্ঠান হবে, বিশিষ্ট শিল্পীরা এখানে অংশগ্রহণও করবেন, এবং বিশেষ করে ফরেন এবং ডোমেস্টিক ট্রাভেল, আপনারা জানেন বাংলায় দুক্ষেত্রে এখন অনেক বেড়েছে। ফরেন ট্যুরিস্ট গোয়া কেরালার থেকে এখন এখানে বেশি আসে। ইট ইজ মোর দ্যান গোয়া অ্যান্ড কেরালা, ইট ইজ নাম্বার 1. ইন্টারন্যাশনাল এয়ারক্রাফট মুভমেন্ট, it is increased about 65% things. And also there is a demand that within these 9 years, 29 the state category, star category hotel also started, star category and home tourism to so many things, Vishwa Bangla conference room center to Digha, this Vishwa Bangla convention center to ecotourism park to, there are so many. I cannot complete everything, so because there are so many things. So it will prove that yes, Bengal is going ahead, and I am proud to say that Bengal is number 1 in so many sectors. And earlier it was just like number 30 or number 35. Some people are coming from Delhi. I am sorry to say, if I do any wrong, I will apologize to them. But please correct me. Why you are saying all the telling garbage of lies to the people? Tell the truth. Tell the truth. I am proud to say, MSME we are number 1. Skill sector we are number 1. Road sector we are number 1. Bangla Awas Yojana we are number 1. Technical study we are number 1. Our talent and our this research, all these. Now can you imagine if I give you one figure, what matters for the humanity? When we came in, the institution delivery rate was 65%, and within these 8 years, it is 99%. This is the social sector. How we are giving the social service to the people? Health, free for all. Food, free for all. Education, from Konyasri to Sikkasri to Oikosri to so many. Even I am proud to say that Konyasri have got United Nations Public Award Prize. And also my this Shabuj Sathi, we give cycles. More than 1 crore students. And this time also I am giving the tab to the students, about 12 lakhs. Don't you think this is a social work we are doing? If a baby born, then also we give a good tree, good plantation tree. If somebody die, they didn't have the money for cremation. There also we give the money. So from born to death, A to Z, we are working, and our social security scheme, it is 99% we are giving the infrastructure, giving the benefits to the individual beneficiaries. So I am proud to say Bengal is going ahead, and some people are jealous. They cannot unite the country. They only can divide the country. They only can divide the rules. Even I am sorry, again I am repeating the word. Last year also I said, earlier also. Why Jesus Christ's birthday will not be declared as national holiday? You tell me, it was there earlier. Why this government, BJP government, withdraw that? Everybody is having their sentiment. If I ask my Christians people whether they didn't have the sentiment, in our state it is chutti. But this government, BJP government came and they cancelled this. Why? Why? What is the harm of the Christian people? This festival, it is celebrated throughout the world, all over the world. This time, yes, there are some problems because of COVID pandemic, that we have to wear the mask, that we cannot gather together, so there we have to maintain the physical distancing, that's okay. Earlier I have seen so many children, they should have come to meet me. But this time, it has been abortion. We love our constitution. It is our pillar. But can you tell me whether this constitution has been thoroughly nurtured and accepted? And in real sense, secularism is in India? No. I'm sorry to say, it is typical type of religious hatred policies going on. I want to condemn this today because it is a place where I can raise my voice. With these words, I thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I convey my great regards to Australian brothers and sisters for his coming. You asked me the time also, but because of the year ending, there are some problems, so I'm sorry. I apologize for this. And also my UK friends and other friends are also there from embassy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And thank you so much. Joy Hind and Joy Bangla. And victory of Jesus Christ, we will remember. We will remember. We will remember.